Welcome, seekers of enlightenment and manifestors of reality. We stand at the threshold of unlocking the true potential that resides within each of us, the potential to manifest everything we desire swiftly and harmoniously. The process of manifestation is not merely a method but an art, a sacred dance between our inner selves and the universe. It requires sincerity, focus, and a deep understanding of the laws that govern our reality. In our first lesson, let's explore the foundation of manifestation, the power of our beliefs. Our beliefs are the bedrock upon which our reality is constructed. They shape our perceptions, influence our actions, and ultimately dictate the course of our lives. The beliefs we hold about ourselves, our capabilities, and the nature of reality itself are like the programming in a sophisticated machine. If this programming is flawed or limited, the machine cannot operate at its full capacity. Let's consider the nature of belief. A belief is a thought or idea that we hold to be true, often without question. These beliefs are formed through our experiences, cultural conditioning, and the information we consume. But here's the critical insight. Beliefs are not static. They are dynamic and malleable. We have the power to examine, deconstruct, and rebuild our beliefs to align with our true desires. Now, how does one transform a belief? It begins with awareness. We must become vigilant observers of our thoughts and the narratives we tell ourselves. For instance, if we harbor the belief that success is reserved for a select few, how can we expect to manifest abundance in our own lives? We must replace such limiting beliefs with empowering ones, affirming that abundance is our birthright and that success is within our grasp. The next step is to reinforce these new beliefs through repetition and emotional engagement. The subconscious mind, which is the fertile soil where the seeds of our beliefs take root, responds to repetition and strong emotional stimuli. By frequently affirming our new beliefs with conviction and feeling, we plant them deeply into our subconscious, where they begin to shape our reality. Consider the belief that you are deserving of love and joy. If you repeat this belief with deep feeling, you start to embody it. You will notice a shift in how you carry yourself, how you interact with others, and how opportunities for love and joy begin to present themselves to you. This is the law of attraction at work, the principle that like attracts like. Let us now turn our attention to the importance of clarity in the manifestation process. To manifest swiftly, you must know precisely what you want. Vague desires yield vague outcomes. Take a moment to visualize your desired state with crystal clarity. What does it look like? How does it feel? What are the textures, the colors, the scents? The more vividly you can imagine your desired reality, the more effectively you can communicate your wishes to the universe. Moving forward, we must also address the role that emotions play in manifestation. Emotions are the language of the universe, the vibrational signals that we send out to attract experiences that resonate with our inner state. When our emotions are aligned with our desires, we become magnetic to our goals. Therefore, it is essential to cultivate emotions that mirror the feelings we anticipate experiencing once our desires are fulfilled. Now, let's pause for a moment and reflect on a profound question. What if the only thing standing between you and your desires is the belief that something stands between you and your desires? Let this question sink in, for it holds the key to unlocking the chains of our self-imposed limitations. The symphony of synchronicity, aligning action with intention. As we proceed to our second lesson on the art of manifestation, we delve into the symphony of synchronicity, aligning action with intention. To manifest our desires, it is not enough to simply wish or believe. We must also act in ways that propel us toward our goals. The universe responds to our intentions, but it is through our actions that we show our commitment and open the pathways for our desires to materialize. Firstly, let's address the concept of inspired action. Inspired action is not the same as forced effort. It is action that feels natural, joyous, and in flow with your intentions. It arises from a deep place of alignment with your true self and your purpose. When you are inspired, you might find that opportunities present themselves, people come into your life to help you, and events unfold as if by magic. This is synchronicity at work, the universe's way of arranging coincidences that guide you along your path. So, how do we invite inspired action into our lives? It begins with listening to your intuition, to the subtle pulls of your heart that guide you toward your next step. Trust that inner voice, even when it whispers. It often holds the wisdom of your higher self, steering you in the direction that will fulfill your deepest yearnings. Let's also consider the discipline of consistent action. Manifestation is not an overnight phenomenon. It is the result of consistent, directed effort over time. When you take consistent action towards your goals, you build momentum. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a piece of the puzzle falling into place. The universe recognizes this dedication and, in turn, assists you by aligning circumstances in your favor. Moreover, we must be adaptable. The path to manifestation is rarely a straight line. It is a winding road with unexpected turns. When we are rigid in our approach, we may miss the new opportunities that these turns present. Be willing to adapt your actions as you receive new information and as the landscape of your journey evolves. Now, let's examine the role of patience in the manifestation process. Patience is the calm acceptance that things can happen in a different order than the one you have in mind. It is an understanding that the universe's timing is perfect, even when it does not align with our immediate expectations. Patience allows us to remain peaceful and centered as our desires unfold in divine timing. Additionally, we should embrace the concept of detachment. Detachment is not about not caring about the outcome. It is about not being bound by it. When we are too attached to the outcome, we create resistance that can actually push our desires away. By detaching, we allow the universe the space to work its magic, to bring forth outcomes that may even exceed our expectations. To further our understanding, consider the power of gratitude. Gratitude is the frequency that resonates with abundance. When we express genuine appreciation for what we already have, we open our hearts to receive even more. Gratitude shifts our focus from what is lacking to the abundance that already exists in our lives, and in doing so, attracts more of the same. Here, we are faced with a question that cuts to the core of our manifestation efforts. Are you willing to trust the process, to release the need for immediate gratification in favor of a grander plan that is unfolding for you? This question challenges us to surrender to a force greater than ourselves, to trust in the journey as much as the destination. With these insights, we've woven a deeper understanding of how aligning action with intention is a vital component of manifestation. It is through this sacred alignment that we signal to the universe our readiness to receive and our willingness to co-create our reality. The tapestry of trust, embracing the unknown with faith and courage. In this third lesson on the art of manifestation, we explore the tapestry of trust, an essential fabric in the grand design of actualizing our deepest desires. Trust is the bridge between our human efforts and the mysterious workings of the universe. It is the quiet confidence that what we seek is also seeking us, and that the steps we take in faith bring us closer to our aims, even when the path is shrouded in mist. To manifest anything quickly, trust must be unwavering. It's not simply a matter of believing in our ability to create. It's also about maintaining faith in the universe's capacity to respond to our creation. The universe speaks in a language of signs, symbols, and experiences. When we trust, we understand this language more profoundly and can interpret the messages being sent to us. Let's delve into the nature of faith. Faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen. It asks us to believe in the unseen, to place our confidence in the potential of what could be rather than only what is. Faith is not blind, it is visionary. It is the lens through which we see the possibilities that lie dormant, awaiting our touch to be awakened. How does one cultivate such faith? By nurturing a relationship with the unknown. The unknown is not a void of nothingness. It is a canvas of infinite possibilities. When we embrace the unknown with curiosity rather than fear, we open ourselves to the full spectrum of potential outcomes. We must learn to be comfortable with uncertainty, to dance with it, for it is in the spaces of not knowing that miracles are birthed. Consider also the role of courage. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. To manifest swiftly, we must act courageously, stepping into the uncharted territories that our desires lead us to. Each courageous act is a declaration to the universe that we are ready to transcend our limitations and embrace the growth that comes from new experiences. We must also speak of resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. In the journey of manifestation, there will be moments of doubt, moments when things seem to be moving in the opposite direction of our desires. It is in these moments that resilience becomes our most trusted ally. It allows us to view challenges as temporary and as opportunities for learning and refinement. Now let us reflect on the power of silence. In the stillness of silence, we can hear the whispers of our soul and the guidance of the universe. Silence is not empty, it is full of answers. When we quiet the noise of the external world, we can tune into the guidance that is always available to us, leading us toward our highest good. And so we arrive at a pivotal question. Can you trust the part of you that knows without knowing, that sees beyond the horizon of your current reality? This question invites us to tap into our inner wisdom, the part of us that is eternally connected to the source of all creation. As we weave the threads of trust, faith, courage, and resilience, we create a tapestry that can hold the weight of our dreams. With this foundation, we prepare ourselves to receive the manifestations of our desires not as distant dreams, but as imminent realities. The quantum crescendo. Harmonizing desire with the cosmos. In this final lesson, we reach the crescendo of our symphony, the harmonization of our deepest desires with the cosmic will. This is where the individual and the universal converge, where the microcosm of our intentions resonates with the macrocosm of infinite potential. Here, in the quantum realm of existence, we discover that time and space are not barriers, but instruments that play to the tune of our conscious will. Manifestation, in its purest form, is an intricate dance with the cosmos. It is the realization that we are not isolated beings pushing against the fabric of reality, but are integral threads within it, capable of influencing the weave of our experiences. To manifest swiftly and harmoniously, we must align our vibrations to match the frequency of our desires, creating a resonance that echoes through the vastness of creation. Let us explore the concept of vibrational alignment. This is the state where our thoughts, emotions, and actions are in complete synchrony with our aspirations. When we achieve this state, our energy signature becomes a powerful magnet, attracting circumstances, people, and opportunities that mirror our inner state. To foster vibrational alignment, we must cultivate inner coherence. Inner coherence is the alignment of the heart and mind, a state where our emotions and intellect unite in the service of our intentions. This unity is the key to unlocking our full manifesting potential, as it brings forth a clarity and focus that is undiluted by internal conflict. We also delve into the principle of letting go. Letting go is not about giving up on our desires, but rather releasing our grip on the outcome. It is an act of surrender to the greater intelligence of the universe. When we let go, we trust that the cosmic currents will carry us to our destination, or somewhere even better. This release is not a sign of weakness, but a courageous acceptance of the flow of life. Now, reflect on the beauty of balance. Balance is the art of maintaining equilibrium between effort and ease. In our quest to manifest, we must learn when to push forward and when to relax into the current. It is in this balance that we find the grace to move with the rhythms of the universe, rather than against them. Moreover, we must acknowledge the power of unity consciousness. Unity consciousness is the recognition that all is one, that our individual desires are part of a larger tapestry of collective aspiration. When we align our personal goals with the greater good, we amplify our manifesting power, as we are no longer acting solely for ourselves but for the upliftment of all. And so, we come to the ultimate question that ties together all our lessons. Are you ready to be both the composer and the symphony, the dreamer and the dream, weaving your desires into the very essence of life itself? This question invites us to step into our role as conscious creators, to embrace our divine capacity to shape reality. As we conclude our journey through the art of manifestation, remember that each of you is a maestro conducting the orchestra of our lives. The baton we wield is our focused intention. The notes we play are our beliefs and actions, and the music we create is the reality we experience. Let us play this music with passion, with love, and with the unwavering knowledge that the universe is always listening, always responding, and always eager to co-create the masterpiece of our lives. With these insights, we complete the quantum crescendo, harmonizing our desires with the cosmos. May each of us move forward with the confidence to manifest our dreams swiftly and the wisdom to cherish the journey as much as the destination.